In today's guide, you will learn how to enable Face ID on iPhone. And currently, I'm using iPhone 11 Pro. Okay, so the first step is to tap on the Settings app. As the Settings app opens, scroll down and then tap on Face ID and Passcode. All right. Now you can see iPhone unlock is it disabled, iTunes and App Store disabled. So the next step you need to take is tap on Set up Face ID and follow the on-screen guide. Okay, so I'll tap on Get Started. After that, tap on Continue and follow anything you are being instructed on the screen. And the last step, tap on Done. Now you say enter a passcode. So the next step is to enter your passcode. Okay, so follow everything on the screen. And we are good. The Face ID has been set. I hope you find this guide helpful. Please do like, subscribe, and leave a comment. See you some other time.